Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. I'm here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. Winston, good to see you on this day.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
Good. Almost through the week. Friday's coming up, weekend ready.
Flying by.
Yeah, it's flying by again this week. We had a lot of new sponsors, a lot of new keep talking about the nominations and sponsors, but that's what's coming in. A lot of interesting jury members that you have an opportunity to meet at our CEE Retail Awards coming up in less than a month away. February 9th is the awards day and forum, so we definitely want you to be involved if you're doing anything in retail. Interested in any of the, if you're a retailer looking for new locations in Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, we've got a lot of opportunities for you there. And any shopping center owners or retail owners that have opportunities for retailers or brands or even quite a few web-based e-commerce companies coming looking for locations to open some of their first shops, or at least their first shops in Central Eastern Europe. So we hope to see you at that event. And straight after, in April 6th, we have our SEE Awards taking place in Romania, and again covering the region, covering SEE region. A lot of exciting things happening there. We'll take a little break. We'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, and the news. So welcome back to this nice Thursday morning. Winston, good to see you, of course. And let's any exciting news on the front here for Thursday?
Let's see what we got, eh?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, there is a bit of exciting news, Craig.
Right.
Some investment news, which I always enjoy.
That's always exciting.
Yeah, it's always exciting. Lots of companies doing business.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll start with FLE. They've acquired their fifth office property in Poland. They've acquired the Copernic office buildings in Warsaw from DWS, which is one of the largest asset managers in the region. And the deal saw Knight Frank advise the buyer, and Colliers represented the seller. And according to Dr. Alexander Klavsky, he's the managing partner at FLE, our latest acquisition proves that we are able to continuously purchase suitable assets that yield a very strong cash flow, even in the economic environment seems challenging. And Marek Jakubiak, he's the head of CE at DWS. He says over the years, the property has proven to be very resistant to market and economic cycle changes with a stable level of occupancy and fluent leasing transitions. So yeah, it's kind of an older project, but seems to be a very good one.
Yeah, and Marek's been around a long time, and at DWS as long as I can remember. So of course he's probably bought them, probably sold them, and did the due diligence on them.
Yeah. Moving on to something else now, I would imagine.
Could be
the next big thing,
the next big project. Yeah.
Staying in the Warsaw region, and GLP has completed a development of another logistics park near Warsaw. This is a 24,000 square meter logistics park called GLP Warsaw 5 Logistics Centre, and it's been fully leased to No Limit, a company developing international services, contract logistics, warehousing, and distribution and transport. And according to No Limit, this investment comes in response to new projects and growing demand in the CE region from our contract logistics clients. And GOP comment, for us, the area around Warsaw is a natural place to grow in order to meet the needs of our clients, for whom technology advanced logistics buildings located near the country's key transport routes offer a competitive advantage. And Cefi was the general contractor of this particular building. And finally, for today, staying in the logistics field, and Panattoni has finalised another built-to-suit development in the Lubisz region for the Vita Group, who are Europe's largest supplier and producer of polyurethane foam, and they'll start using 8,000 square metre park in Panattoni Park, Jari, in the second quarter of 2023. And according to Marek Wozinski, he's the BTS Managing Director at Panattoni, the huge potential of the Lubisz region and the whole of Western Poland would be difficult to tap into if it were not for the support and involvement of the local authorities. We often forget about the local authorities and how important they are to new investments throughout the country.
Well, without them cooperating, there is no development.
Exactly.
No permits, no roads, no infrastructure. So great to see the interesting area that it's going well there. And I think Marek knows all those guys in all of Poland for the local authorities, probably through the whole country.
He definitely seems to be the go-to guy with all that kind of knowledge.
For sure. Okay, so that's all we have for today. Yeah.
Those are the highlights for today, yeah.
Okay, lots of news on the EuropaProperty.com website. So thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. I noticed that we have now over 700 direct subscribers to the show and off of LinkedIn, just off of LinkedIn. And so that no wonder it puts us, well over 8,000 per week of viewers and people watching the show. So great to see it continues to grow, even though we started it during lockdown when everyone was stuck inside and couldn't go anywhere. And we have more viewers now that they can actually go out and see somebody. So great. Thank you for all watching the show. And we will continue to keep you updated. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show. And don't forget to share it with your friends.